morning, sir. I'm Jaime R. Aglugub Jr., a student nurse from Medical Colleges of Northern Philippines po. So, sir, what do you want me to address you po?
Hendrix po.
Okay, Sir Hendrix. May I know what is your full name po?
I am Hendrix Angela Bicorte po.
Okay. So, sir, may I see your wristband to ensure that I'm in the right patient? Okay, sir. Thank you po. So, Sir Hendrix, what language do you prefer to use po?
I'm good with English or Tagalog.
Okay. So, what is your educational attainment po?
I'm a high school graduate and a college student right now.
Okay. So, how about your religion po?
I'm a Catholic.
Okay. So, Sir Hendrix, today I will be assessing your head and neck po, no? Including your eyes, ears, nose, and mouth po. And during this assessment, is it okay if I'm going to touch you po? Okay. So, sir, before we will proceed, are you comfortable with your position right now?
Yes.
Do you need anything like water? Okay. So, are you ready na po ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, let's begin na po, no? So, first thing first, sir, is I'm going to assess your head po. And is it okay if I'm going to touch your head, sir, for me to inspect if there is any discoloration, lesion, scars, or any sign of infestation, as well as the symmetry and size of your head, sir?
It's okay po.
Sir, then after that, sir, I'm going to palpate your scalp to see if there is any lumps, bulges, or tenderness present in your scalp po. Is it okay for you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, i-assess ko na po ang ulo niyo po, no?
So, Sir Henry, upon inspecting your head, I observed that your head is symmetrical po, no? And you have normocephalic head, which means that your head is appropriate to your body size. And I don't see any presence of lesions, discolorations, as well as there is no signs of dandruff and infestations po. And also, I noticed that you have a thick black hair and moist scalp, which indicates that you have normal one po, no? However, I saw some scars and uneven distribution on your left part of your head po, no? May I just know, sir, if inborn po ba to or due to accident po?
Yes po, inborn po.
Okay. And sir, upon palpating your head, I don't feel any muscles, bulges, and any tenderness po presence in your scalp, which considered normal po. So, Sir Hendrix, since I finished assessing your scalp, I will now assess your face po, no? So, sir, kindly look directly on my face for me to inspect the symmetry of your face and to see if there is any discoloration or scars in your face po, no? Okay. So, and also, sir, kindly close your eyes for me and just tell me if you feel something, no? Wait lang po. Kindly close your eyes, sir. May nafe-feel po ba kayo, sir? Okay. And also, so Sir Hendrix, I will now going to test your cranial nerve number 7, which is your facial nerve po, no? So, sir, kindly close your eyes tightly po. Okay. Kindly open na po. How about raise your eyebrows po? Okay. And kindly smile for me, sir. Okay. How about front po? And also, last po is kindly pop up your cheeks po. Okay. So, Sir Hendrix, I've noticed that you have symmetrical and oval-shaped face po, no? And there is no presence of lesion. However, I saw some redness in your face caused by your pimples po, no? And upon checking to your facial muscle, it moves at its will po, which means you have intact cranial nerve number 7 or gumagana po. Wala pong abnormalities in yung facial nerve po, no? Okay. So, next sir is, I will now going to palpate your face to test your cranial nerve number 5, which is the trigeminal nerve po, to see if there is any lumps, masses, or bulges present in your face. Is it okay if I'm going to touch your face po? Okay. So sir, sabihin niyo lang po na kung masakit po ba or hindi po. Masakit po ba sir? How about this po? Kindly open your mouth sir and close it po. Ayan po. Okay. So sir, masakit po ba dito po? Okay. And the next one sir is I'm going to palpate your sinuses po, no? To see if there is tenderness po. So, sir, masakit po ba, sir? And also, I'm going to palpate your frontal po. Can you see kung masakit po ba? Masakit po ba dito po? Okay. So, Sir Hendrix, upon palpating your face po, no? Or especially into your jaw po, I observe that there is no clicking or graining sensation po. And I don't feel any masses present in your face, sir, and I do not observe any abnormalities upon checking your cranial nerve number 5, which is the trigeminal nerve po. And upon palpating your sinuses and frontal, sir, as you said earlier, wala pa namang sakit, which means normal po. So, sir, since we're done with your head and face po, no, let's now move on to your eyes po. So, sir, kindly open your eyes for me and look at me directly for me to inspect your eyes po, no? Okay. So, sir, kindly look upward po. Okay. So, sir, I observed that you have symmetrical eyebrows po, no? And also, evenly placed po yung eyes nyo. And your eyelashes also are long po, no? Moreover, there is no presence of eye discoloration. There is also no presence of swelling and scars around your eyes po, which is considered normal po siya, no? And sir, the next thing that I'm gonna do is I will going to dim the light of the room and I will be using my pen light to check the pupils. Check your pupils po, no? Is that okay with you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, sir, just look at me directly po, no? Okay. Sa other side naman po. I will now turn on the light, sir, no? Sir Hendrix, I observed that your eyes constricted when it reacted to lights po, no? And it has 3 millimeter in size po, which is considered normal. And you have both round shape pupil, which is yun po yung normal na shape din po ng ating eyes po. Okay po. So, Sir Hendrix, I just want you to read the smallest possible line of letter po, no? Using your both eyes po.
P, F, C, D, E, Z, and E.
Okay. So, Sir Hendrix, kindly cover your one eye and read the smallest possible line of letter po.
P, F, C, D, E, Z, and E.
Okay. Yung other one din po. Kindly cover tapos basahin nyo po yung pinaka-smallest possible line of letters po.
Okay po. P, F, C, D, E, Z, and E.
Okay, so Sir Hendrix, I just want to inform you that you have 20/16 vision, which is normal, and it indicated that you have clear eyes or clear vision po.
So, Sir Hendrix, I just want you to stay still your head po, no? And I just want you to move your eyes only to watch where will I gonna move the pen light po. Is that okay with you, sir? Okay. So, sir, kindly look at this po, no? Okay. Okay, Sir Hendrix. I don't see any involuntary movement in your eyes po, no? Which indicates that it is normal. And in conclusion po, in your eye assessment, upon assessing your eyes po, sir, your pupils are equally round and reactive to light and accommodation, which is normal po, no? There is no any abnormalities present. Okay, sir. Sir Hendrix, since we've done assessing your eyes, let's now go to your ears po, no? So, Sir Hendrix, do you have any pain in your ears recently po? Okay. So, sir, I will gonna inspect your ears to see if there's any discolorations, lesions, waxes present in your ears po. Is that okay with you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, sir. So, Sir Hendrix, I observed that your earlobes are bean-like shape and parallel and also symmetrical po, no? And there is no presence of discolorations and lesions in your ears po, which considered as normal po. And the next thing that I'm gonna do, sir, is I will now palpate your auricles and mastoid process to see if there's any presence of tenderness or bulges po, no? Is that okay with you, sir? Okay. Kung sabihin nyo lang po kung masakit po, no? Dito po, masakit po. Okay. So, dito po, masakit po ba to? Dito po, sir, masakit po ba? Dito po. How about this one po? Masakit po ba dito? Okay. So, Sir Hendrix, upon palpating your ears, I don't feel any bulges, and as you can say earlier, na hindi masakit upon palpating those po, no, which is considered normal po since wala pong tenderness po. Sir Hendrix, I just want you to close your eyes and close your one ear and just tell me what I'm going to say po, no? Is that okay with you, sir? Okay. Ako na lang po magtatakip po, no? Is that okay with you, sir? Okay. Ano po yun, sir? Ano po yung sinabi ko, sir? Okay, good. So, yung other ear po naman, no?
I'm okay.
So, Sir Hendrix,
Since you hear those whispers, sir, no, it is a good indication that there is no abnormalities present in your cranial nerve number 8, which is your auditory nerve po. And it is a good denotion also that it is intact po ang inyong auditory nerve, kaya po tayo nakakarinig po.
Sir Hendrix, since we're done assessing your ears po, I will now inspect your nose po, no? Is that okay with you, sir? Okay. So, sir, just look straight in front of my face po. Okay, so I will So, Sir Hendrix, I can see that your nose is at the middle and there is no presence of discoloration and any lesion po, no? Which is normal po. Sir Hendrix, do you have any trouble with your nose or any dryness po right now? Okay. Sir Hendrix, kindly close your one nostril and breathe to the other one and vice versa to check the patency of your ears po. So, sir, kindly yung i-close po yung isang nose. Tapos, take a deep breath po. Inhale. Exhale. Sa other one, sa kabila na. So, inhale. Exhale. Okay. So, sir, nakakahinga po ba kayo ng maayos, sir?
Yes.
Wala po kayong napipil na nakabalak? Ganun po?
Wala po.
Okay. So, since wala po kayong nafe-feel na nakabara and maayos po yung paghinga nyo, that is a good indication na wala pong abnormalities present sa iyong sinuses po, no? Okay. So, sir, kindly look upward for me to visualize your nose po. Is that okay with you, sir? So, okay. Sir Hendrix, everything was clear naman po, no? I don't see any abnormalities present in your nose, which is normal. And sir, kindly close your eyes again and describe the smell of the thing that I'm gonna place near to your nose po, no? Is that okay with you, sir? Okay. Kindly close your eyes, sir. Sir, kindly tell me kung ano po yung smell po na
Smells like alcohol.
Okay. Tama po, alcohol po yan, no? So, sir, since tama po yung amoy nyo, that is a good indication na intact po or wala pong abnormalities sa inyong cranial nerve number 1 or the olfactory nerve nyo po, no? Okay. So, sir, I will now gonna palpate your sinuses again to see if there's any bulges or tenderness presence po, no? Is that okay with you, sir? Okay. So, sir, kindly look. Masakit po ba, sir? Dito po. Dito po. Okay. So, since hindi po masakit upon palpating those sinuses po, no? That is a good indication po na wala pong tenderness present sa iyong nose po and sinuses. So, Sir Hendrik, since we've done assessing your nose po, no? I will now going to assess now your mouth po. So, sir, kindly open your mouth for me and I'll gonna inspect your lips, tongue, teeth, oral mucosa, palate, gingiva, and other parts of your mouth po, no? Is it okay with you, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Wait lang po, no? Magagamot. So, Sir Hendrix, kindly open up your mouth po and speak out your lang. Open mo na po. Okay, sir. Sir Hendrix, upon observing, I can see that you have a nice pinkish color of lips, gums, tongues, and uvula po, no? Which is considered normal po. And also, I can see that you have 32 number of teeth po, no? Which is considered as normal in an adult po. And moreover, I don't see any abnormalities present in your mouth po kasi wala po kong nakitang mga tartar, mga inflammations po sa inyong gums, mga cavities po, tonsillitis, ganun, wala pa akong nakita. Kaya, normal po siya, no? Okay. So, the next thing that I'm gonna assess, sir, is, Sir Hendrix, kindly stick out your tongue and kindly move it side by side, sir, for me, no? So, wait lang po. So, Sir Hendrix, kindly stick out your tongue po. Kindly move it side by side, sir. Okay. Thank you. So, sir, kindly stick out your mouth again, sir, and say po. Okay po. Also, sir, I will gonna check your gag reflex po, no? So, sir, kindly open up your mouth again, sir. Stick your tongue out. Okay, sir, you have good gag reflex po, no? Which is normal po. So, sir, I can see that your cranial nerve number 9, which is the glossopharyngeal nerve, your vagus nerve, the cranial nerve number 10, and the hypoglossal, which is the cranial nerve number 12, are intact po, no? Since I don't observe any abnormalities during those activities na pinagawa ko po sa inyo. Kaya, normal po siya lahat. And yung gag reflex nyo po kanina is normal din po. Okay, sir. That's all po, no, for sa mouth examination po. Thank you.
Sir Henry, since we're done assessing your mouth, I will now assess your neck po.
So, sir, kindly look at the ceiling na lang po. Okay. So, Sir Hendrix, I can see that your trachea is in the midline po, no? And there is no presence of lesions and any discoloration present in your neck during the inspection po. And now, sir, kindly move your neck to the side by side po. Okay. Now po is up and down naman po. Now, try to shrug against to my resistance po, no? So, sir, so, itaas nyo po, tapos ipigilan ko po, no? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ulit po, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And next, sir, is kindly raise your arms up and down po. Ulit po. Kung sa side naman po. Okay. So, Sir Henry, since you did it with ease, I can see that your accessory nerve are intact po, no? Your cranial nerve number 11 po. And I don't see any abnormalities at all po. Since nagawa niyo po ng mabilis at parang wala pong masakit po while doing the activities. Sir, the next thing that I'm gonna do, sir, is I'm going to palpate your trachea to feel any tenderness present po, no? So, sir, kindly extend your neck po. Sir Hendrix, do you feel any pain or tenderness while palpating your trachea? Okay. Since you didn't feel any pain po while palpating your trachea, it is considered normal po siya. And also, I don't feel any lumps present in your neck po and bumps and any masses po, no? Which is considered din po siya as normal po. So, Sir Hendrix, kindly turn sideward po, no, for me to palpate your lymph nodes po. To check if there's any bulges or masses present po. Okay, sir. So, kindly say po, no, kung masakit po ba while palpating po, no? Is that okay with you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Masakit po ba?
Hindi.
Okay, sir, since wala naman pong soreness or tenderness na na-feel nyo po while palpating po, no? So, is it considered po siya as normal po, no? And also, wala po akong na-feel na bulges or any muscles presence in your lymph node po. So, Sir Hendrix, I will gonna palpate your carotid artery and auscultate it after on po, no? To check if malakas po ba yung pulse natin or yung rhythm po ng pulse natin and everything po, no? If meron po mga abnormal sounds, ganun po. Is that okay with you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, sir, kindly look upward po. Sa other one, no? So, i-auscultate ko na po, no? Check kung may abnormal sounds po ba. Can you take a deep breath po? Ayun na lang po. Inhale. Okay.
Sir Hendrix, I can feel the rhythm in your carotid pulse po, no? And it is functioning well. And also, I don't feel any bumps or lumps present in your neck po, no? Upon palpating it. And I don't see any discoloration po in your skin po, no? Which considered normal po.
So, Sir Hendrix, now I will gonna palpate your thyroid gland po, no? And auscultate it later on to see if there is any abnormalities present po. No? Is that okay with you, sir? Okay. So, Sir Hendrix, kindly turn again to the organ position. And, is it okay if I will gonna touch you again, sir?
Yes.
Okay. So, sir, kindly look at this po. Papalpate ko na po, no? Okay. So, thank you, sir. Next po is i-auscultate ko na po, no? Sir, can you take a deep breath po? And hold it po. Again, sir, inhale. Exhale. Kabila naman po, no? Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. So, Sir Hendrix, I can hear no brute sounds po, no? Wala po akong narinig na brute sounds sa inyong thyroid gland, which indicates that normal po siya. And also, nakaka-feel po ba kayo ng tenderness or pain while palpating your thyroid gland po? Okay. So, that indicates na normal din po siya, no? And overall po, pag assessing your thyroid gland, there is no abnormalities present in your thyroid area, which considered normal po siya. So, Sir Hendrix, that ends our head and neck assessment po, no? Do you have any questions or any clarifications po? Okay, so, sir, I will now pass your assessment to the physician po, no, for your consultation later on. Okay, so thank you for your cooperation, sir. Bye po.